Warming up our ears time! Are your ears warmed up? We're about to get started. 3 sounds to be guessed. We are 5 people here, so that is 50 lives to be won. Let's see if we get some more people in. Right ear warm. Your left ear warm. We are getting started. Okay, we are already great. All right. I'm assuming you can hear me well. It is now time for sound. Should we let's do a warm-up sound. I think this is an easy sound. We're gonna go through 3 sounds. Let's do a quick warm-up. Let's see if our memory is still sharp. Hey, there Dion is also here. There Dion, you're just on time to guess sounds. We are 6 people here. That means 60 lives to be won for the Earo app. Awesome to see you. Let's warm up with this sound. Let's wave to there Dion. Okay. This is just a warm-up sound. Make sure our ears are sharp for the 3 hard Earo sounds coming up. You know what this sound is? Come on. Oh, Steph, I was training your memory, and clearly your memory is very sharp. West Indies also having a sharp memory. It is starting a drill, obviously. Let's hear it one more time. It is a drill. We had this one in one past Earo show, and I was like, oh, let's see if you remember how hard this one actually went. Okay, now it's time though to start for real with sound numero uno. Are you ready? Sound number 1. Chin chin. Timer is going up. We've had actually a similar sound on the app before. Gotta say, always object and verb if possible. Okay, I think we all got it here. Apparently this was easier than I even thought. We can stop here. It was, as you can hear, writing, a pen writing basically. So, all of you got it right. Let's see. There Dion from Germany got it first. You said writing. I let it pass because you're kind of new to the live shows. You know, usually we prefer a very specific, but writing is kind of what's happening here. It's a pen. It's a pen writing. So then we got West Indy also saying scribbling, that counts. Okay, who else we got? Kenny. Oh yeah. Kenny. We got Lashanda. Steph. Lashanda, Steph. Okay, you guys are all very well warmed up. Writing with a pen. Okay, y'all got it right. Your ears are warmed up. Your mind is sharp. Now it's time to go for a hopefully a bit harder sound. Okay, so we go timer and second sound going on. Dino, you know that this sound is actually one of the sounds when people guess sounds on the app. This is a sound they always say. Whatever sound we got on the app, people say it's related. This is the sound, but it's never this sound. It's a very popular answer. We got 10 seconds. A stapler playing cards. What is it? We got these two answers happening. Which one of these options is it? Timer's up. The right answer, Dino, it was card dealing. So again, a lot of you got it right. Oh my god, I think I made it too easy. I was feeling bad for a hard sound on the app and made it here really easy. Oh, it was card dealing. Let's see. Kenny went from playing cards to loading stapler. Remember, it's the last answer that counts. So we got Derdion sounds like a stapler. That ain't it. Then we have Kenny saying playing cards, but then you change your mind. So Lashanda's actually shuffling a deck of cards. Lashanda's the first person to get it right. Steph also pulling cards from deck. Yeah, that's it. Loading stapler. Hey, Molanita! Good to see you. We are here on sound number 2, unfortunately. So we just had a pen writing, stapling cards, and stay here because you're at least making the pot bigger for everyone. We got now 70 lives on the prize. So that's great, Molanita. You're contributing at least to that. Dino, you should say hi to Molanita because she's making the prize bigger. Oh, what's up, Molanita? Good to see you. Okay, so now it's actually the turn for Kenny and Derdion to catch up to everyone else. Or we're going to have West Indy, Lashanda, and Steph sharing the pot. It's going to be 70 lives. So I'm excited to see what's happening. Okay, sound number 3. Let's put the timer. Oh, okay, I don't know if this one is a hard one or not. Let's see. Timer on. Four, 3, 2. Timer is up. Oh my god. This is exciting. We got a lot of different answers. Oh my god. One of these answers is correct. Let me just start reading some of the answers we got to this sound. We got spraying spray bottle, sweeping floor, halfway opening a can of soda, really specific, nose spray, pumping air, pumping up a bike, or opening a bottle of soda. Okay. And this one, I kind of have an intuition that this person would know this sound very well. And I was actually gonna say it, and then I said, no, let's see if everyone else. But I kind of knew who would guess this sound well. I don't know why. I had an intuition. So let's go through all the answers one more time, and then I say who is the winner. We have Nasal Spray by Kenny. I think who else said it? And Derdion. I think Kenny and Derdion have some kind of telepathy from Germany to the US. Derdion is in Germany. And then we have Steph saying spraying spray bottle, sweeping floor, pumping air, or kind of something around bottles of soda. The correct answer, this is something in Spanish I call chichi, is actually a spray bottle. Steph got it right, and this makes Steph the only winner of tonight, 70 lives, go directly to Steph and only to Steph! This is amazing! It was spraying a spray bottle. Only one person got it right. This is exciting. 70 lives going all the way to Steph! What did you think of this live show? Amazing! Round of applause, Steph! Awesome! Everyone congratulating Steph. That is awesome. And no worries, we got, as always, another live show coming up next Wednesday. Tell your friends to join, because the more people we have, the more lives can be won. Who's gonna be the winner next time? 70 lives for Steph! And if you have new ideas for a live show, message me and I'm happy to put them in. That's all for tonight, Earobabies. That was great. And as always, see you now on the app for this really, really hard and this really, really actually easy sound. As always, Earobabies, take care, mucho. See ya here next Wednesday, 4:40 Central Time.
BEP, we reppin' that show. Johnny y'all, Johnny y'all, Johnny y'all. Come on, baby, just pull